Hi guys, recently I made a game using Unity and it looks like this. In this video, I'm gonna show you a demo of my game. So you can download this game, link is in the description box below, and this game is available only for Android. Also check out my other games. Don't worry guys, I'll make it available for Windows and iOS soon. Now you can continue.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the young.
So this is the main menu guys, and if you click on play, it will take you to the another screen. Here you can see missions and free roam. If you click on mission, there will be 3 levels. You can finish it one by one, and it's pretty simple to finish it. So the basic thing is you have to follow the waypoint which takes you to the destination, and you just have to deliver something which was ordered by them. And if the car stands on that red box, the customer will get his parcel and he will jump in joy. So that's it for today's video guys, and if you have any feedbacks after playing this game, you can surely send that feedback to my email ID. I will show it on the screen. So let's end up this video here, and as I said earlier, you can download my games. The link is in the description, so it's up to your choice. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, you just click on the red color subscribe button and subscribe my channel, so that you will always get notified whenever I put a new video. Okay guys, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye from me here. See you soon. Bye.